how to log in Milestone credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log into your Milestone credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Milestone credit card login. After you search for that, you can simply find the official site of Milestone. Simply tap on the URL milestone.myfinanceservice.com. Or let in my case, my access is denied because of my region-based problem. In your case, you can simply find the official interface. From there, simply look for the option login. It will just appear at the top right. After you tap on that, you'll be able to see this kind of login page. From there, you'll have to just provide your username, user ID or password. After that, you'll have to just tap on login. And from there, if you haven't forgotten, from there you can also get the option for forgot username, ID or password. Simply tap on that and from there you can also recover it. And from there you can simply tap on login to get sign in or login to your Milestone credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.